Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your CapCut account using your desktop browser. Now let's begin. Initially, you should be logged into CapCut, and after you've logged in, you will be displayed something like this. That is the home page of CapCut. You will see lots of options, namely Create New, Blank Canvas, Images, Magic Tools, the different templates available, recent drafts, share history, and others. But for now, we're mainly trying to delete our account, so let's hover over to our account settings. On the top right, you will find your profile. You can simply click on it and a new tab will open. Among all these options, you can either view your profile, change your themes as well, change the language, and the main thing we're focusing on, settings. Now you will be redirected to this page, that is your account. You can view your profile name, the email address, your profile page link, your user and device ID. And on the management tab, we will see something like delete account. If you want to delete your account right now, let's click on OK. And it will give us some confirmations. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days and it will not be visible to public. Let's simply hit on delete. A new tab will open asking for our confirmation with Google if you have logged in with your Google account. Select your Google account. Again, continue. And a new pop-up will open on the previous tabs confirming if we really want to delete our account. And we can also recover our account in 30 days. If you don't want to delete it, simply hit cancel, else click on delete. Well guys, that's how you delete your CapCut account using your desktop browser. Hope you guys liked this video, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.